Hi, my name's Jennifer, and today I am going to show you how to wear the Safe and Sound strap with glasses only. So what you want to do is you take your Safe and Sound strap, the end with the silicone loop, and you slide it through the bow of the glasses and slide it through the bow on the other side. And then when your wearer has their glasses on, they're safe and sound. If you need to make it longer, if your child is growing, you just pull on the ends until you have it at the desired length, and you can move your adjustment beads so that they're spaced out evenly. If you need to make it back smaller, you just pull on the adjustment or on the strap and move the adjustment beads where you want them to be. And that's it.